What are the top 4 steps you need to take to meet the Gramm-Leach Bliley Act, also known as the GLBA? Keep watching to find out. Hi, I'm Dustin Phelps with FormAssembly. We know that compliance can be complicated, and with a patchwork of data privacy laws in the United States and around the world, there's a lot to keep track of. FormAssembly is an all-in-one web form builder and data collection platform that helps organizations in all industries do more with their data. We are constantly on the front lines of data security and privacy regulations, and we hope to share some of our insight into what you need to know to protect your data and the data of your customers. The Gramm-Leach Bliley Act of 1999 is a federal law in the United States that requires financial service organizations to clearly communicate how they protect customers' sensitive financial data. The law includes several key rules about how financial information can be handled. For financial service organizations, GLBA is one of the most crucial data privacy regulations. The GLBA includes rules that protect customers' sensitive financial information, and failure to comply can result in fines, loss of customer trust, and other negative consequences. To stay updated on data privacy regulations and data collection best practices, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification icon to receive an alert when we release a new video. Alright, so what are the steps you need to take to be GLBA compliant? The first thing you'll need to do is determine whether or not the GLBA applies to your organization. The GLBA applies not only to financial service companies, but also to other organizations that handle financial information, such as colleges or universities that deal with student loans. Under the GLBA, there are specific regulations for how these organizations can handle account information, bank balances, and other sensitive financial data. Under the financial privacy rule of the GLBA, applicable organizations must communicate with their customers about how personal information is shared, collected, managed, and disclosed. Organizations must also inform customers of their right to opt out if they prefer that their personal data not be shared with third parties. The financial privacy rule requires financial institutions to provide privacy notices for each consumer as soon as they start working with them, including details about how their information is used, collected, and protected. This privacy notice must be provided every year. If the policy changes, consumers must be notified of those changes as well. The GLBA also includes a section called the Safeguards Rule. The Safeguards Rule requires applicable institutions to develop their own comprehensive written security plans and strategies in order to ensure that the data is protected. They must also make sure that all of their vendors and third-party services follow the same protocol to protect this information. Under the Safeguards Rule, organizations that deal with personally identifiable information must identify a designated employee to manage data security and safeguards, conduct regular risk analysis and assessments, regularly test security measures and policies, maintain security and confidentiality, and safeguard customers' data against potential threats or breaches. With this rule, organizations that handle customers' private financial information must continually make sure that data is safe and protected. Because threats and requirements are always evolving in the digital age, organizations must remain vigilant and adjust processes as necessary. As a third-party data collection platform, FormAssembly works with financial organizations and higher ed institutions worldwide to help manage data in a secure, streamlined way. Because we are a service provider to organizations that fall under the GLBA umbrella, we must also meet these regulations in order to guarantee our customers' compliance. FormAssembly is an all-in-one web form builder and data collection platform that helps organizations in all industries do more with their data. Our platform offers encryption at rest and is compliant with GDPR, CCPA, and PCI DSS Level 1 regulations on all plans. To provide added security for the healthcare, financial services, and higher ed education industries, FormAssembly's Compliance Cloud plan provides compliance with HIPAA and GLBA. On top of that, Compliance Cloud users receive advanced security and privacy controls, personalized data security training, priority support, and other privacy features. Thousands of financial service organizations around the world trust FormAssembly for secure, compliant, and simplified data collection. To learn more about the GLBA and the steps your business needs to take to comply, just follow the link in the description below to download our free GLBA checklist. We hope this resource is valuable to you and to your organization. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching and happy form building.